Hi friends, Rotary District 3141 is one of the premier Rotary districts around the world, doing amazing work for the community. Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs, wherein many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference and make Rotary seen. There is a Giver's Gain project to generate funds out of waste, which will be used to fund Rotary Foundation for various humanitarian projects. Under the Over is another initiative to beautify Mumbai and create utility spaces below all flyovers. Lots of efforts are also going on towards literacy, malnutrition, health, sanitation, and other verticals. WizBiz Talks is one more initiative, a novel concept in Vision Year with an ideology to support Rotarians to support Rotary. WizBiz Talks is to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary, and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference in the community. I am Dr. Manish Motwani, a bariatric surgeon, that's a weight loss surgeon, and Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. And I'll be your host on WizBiz Talks. Friends, we have a very special guest today. We have a guest with more than 33 years of experience in Rotary. We have a guest today, friends, who's from one of the most premier clubs of District 3141. Yes, he's none other than Dr. Chandrasekhar Joshi from Rotary Club of Mumbai Queen's Necklace. A surgeon by classification, he's a happy-go-lucky person, very dedicated to his profession, passionate about Rotary, and enjoys any assignment he takes. He is the recipient of highest award, Service Award Self Award from the Rotary International. Let me present before you this self-disciplined, self-motivated, organized and hard-working Rotarian Chandrasekhar Joshi. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you very much, Manish.
It's a pleasure to have you here, sir, today on this WizBiz Talks. And I hope you're aware that WizBiz Talks is a concept which has been executed in this year primarily to create more bonding amongst Rotarians, to ensure that we all come together not just as friends, not just working together for projects, but even professionally too. So this is a concept which is driven very hard, and we've got a tremendous response from each and every person who has been interviewed and others too. So sir, coming to the first question, sir, I have been with you, we have worked together in various avenues also, but there are so many people who don't know much about you. Let us know something more about you as a person and your family.
I'm a surgeon by profession. I'm happy-go-lucky, as you said. I am married. I've got a wife, 2 children, 2 sons. One is in Boston. He's a vice president in Fisher. Another son is in advertising. I've got 5 grandchildren, and that's my family. Okay. I love one thing about Rotary because it connects me. It gives me chance to bond. I love to bond people. Meeting people is my favorite hobby. That's why I love parties. I love to go about it. And that's what I can describe myself like this.
Fantastic, sir. Fantastic.
Okay.
Sir, tell us something more about your profession, sir. Your work as a surgeon.
Yeah. I graduated from Grand Medical College. I did MS in general surgery. I started practice in Nalasopara nursing home. I had my own nursing home. I did my practice there for 22 years, and then I shifted to Bombay, South Bombay, in Opera House. And I'm doing I used to do consulting practice, general surgery. I used to operate in Opera House area. Then I joined Cancer Patient Aid Association as a senior surgeon. Through that, we do the diagnostic oncology. I go for the sedative camps, cancer detection clinics. I enjoy thoroughly because it gives me chance to do the work as my profession wise, and I like to do work as a community service and that. And it gives me really great pleasure to do this cancer detection camps. Uh,
Fantastic. It's a very
and as a cancer detection camps, I have gone all over the India, right from LOC, Kashmir, J&K, and right from Nagaland and the Rajasthan, everywhere.
So this is unbelievable work. This is actual commitment towards your profession and actual commitment towards Rotary, because you are not only you are using the four-way test of Rotary even in your profession, and there cannot be anything more noble than this. And you are a person of name, person of repute. We know so much about you, heard so much about you. Such a pleasure to have you here and interview here face to face, sir. So there is another thing that we want to know from you is you are the district project
Thank you.
one of the major avenues in the district this year. You are responsible for a particular projects. So I would like you to tell us something about the position that you are today in Rotary for the 2021 year, and what are your plans for the year?
I've got a position as a project director for the tuberculosis, AIDS, and cancer. Um, I we have decided we will do cancer, detection camps. We will do also the awareness lectures, which are very important in all these three diseases, because only by awareness people would know what is to be done for these diseases, and particularly in underprivileged people, particularly in slums. We would do the camps in the slum in TB, AIDS, and cancer, particularly cancer. Cancer is increasing in leaps and bounds. When I started with the CPA people, it was very hardly any cases we used to get. Now every month we diagnose so many cases. So I think cancer detections are very, very important, and for that, our awareness lectures are also important. In tuberculosis, BMC has got lovely program dots, but they require some help. So I'm going to tell all my team members, please ask the Rotarians, presidents of the clubs, each how they can contact the BMC health executive in their area and find out what help BMC requires. Same way and in BMC tuberculosis, I would like to do one more program, is anti-spitting program. And that anti-spitting program, I would like to tell Protractor to take help us, because they are very good in it. I also like to do tell the Protractor to organize the camps and the lectures for the AIDS, particularly because this is common. Some certain areas where it is high risk areas, such as toll nakas, commercial sex workers area, and the college people. And there, the awareness is very important. They must know what is safe sex and all that. And cancer, anywhere we can have given, as I told you, I've traveled everywhere. So wherever they invite, we do. And the awareness lectures also they call.
Fantastic. So you've got such lovely plans for the year ahead. I'm sure your avenue is going to be one of the most successful avenues in the year. You are planning so many camps, you're planning so many talks, awareness plans also. And I'm sure once these people are detected, you'll be also directing them to the right places so that they can absolutely have the best possible.
Absolutely.
And I'm sure a person who's as planned and organized as you, these things are already on paper. The blueprint would be ready, and we are just waiting and raring to go that once the lockdown is over and we are able to go out and perform things, I'm sure your people will be just waiting to take over that task and accomplish everything to the fullest.
Exactly, that's the problem. Lockdown is the biggest problem, and social distancing. We can't, but this thing we have to go near the people,
We'll wait for that time, sir, because your projects, the way they are designed, I'm sure they're going to reach some extraordinary proportions, and I'm sure it's going to be a huge success. And your success is going to be the success of District 3141. Your success is going to be the success of District year 2021. So
thank you very much.
So thank you so much for coming on this talk show and sharing your ideas and thoughts with us. I'm sure these are going to be very much valuable for all the viewers who are going to listen to this show. Thank you so much once again for sparing your time. And it's been a pleasure to host you on this talk.
It was a pleasure. It was a pleasure being here with you. Thank you very much. Thank you.